Here's a little tutorial on advanced search on Twitter. It's pretty cool, and I find it very useful to find old tweets or mentions that I've been searching for. So just click anything in here, just so you can get to the search page, and then click on the magnifying glass, and you'll be directed to this page. Now click on More Options, and go all the way down to Advanced Search, and click there, and then you'll be directed to this page. Alright, so now on this page you can do various searches. So I put, for any of these words, I put in Iran, and then from these accounts I put in my own account, and then you just scroll down and click on search. So now basically any tweet that I've done in the history of Twitter that includes the word Iran would show up, which is pretty cool. Another cool thing is if you don't want to view all your tweets with the word, let's say, Iran in it, you can choose, you can filter out from which date to which date you want to view. And of course, you can always stalk other people's accounts by putting in their handle and any keywords that you're searching for. I find this quite handy.